Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Image Downloader Chrome extension to quickly download images from any website. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your Chrome browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Image Downloader. You will see the lots of option. Just click on any one, then click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Once installed, mark it as pin. Now open any website where you can download any images. Like I will download images of Crazy Tech Tricks. You can download images of any website easily just with a single tap. Here you will see. Now just simply click on the extension. It will analyzing the images for you and it will load the data. Once it's done, it will found images. Here you will see found 7 images. If you want to download single image, just click on this image, then click on download one image. Simply download this from this. Or if you want to download all the images, you can just simply select all and click on download all images. From there you can also select the size, like I want to small size images or want to medium size images download. You can download with the help of type, layout, URL, and you can simply clear all the settings to download easily all the images. Like I downloading this image for you. Click on download one image. It will instantly download. Here you will see. You can simply open in a new window to see the image clearly. And that's it. That's how you can use the Image Downloader Chrome extension easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.